See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. For this class, I will show you 5 happenings, avenues where Apple within the past 24 hours for Nigeria, 5 of them that you shouldn't miss. Go start. 1, they say for Jaws, when people they do Palm Sunday, 9 bandits call attack them all. See this guy, Alex Barbie, don't raise alarm, say Tinubu, what are you doing? Secure people's life. Say our president go regret time mukuna listing.
In Okabu, they just murdered over 10 people. Innocent Christians. On Palm Sunday. Tinubu, where are you? As your people are slaughtered in the night, as you sit in Aso Rock and you do absolutely nothing, you allow your people to be killed again and again and again and again. When will it stop? When will you hear the cries of Nigerians, of Christians? You can no longer deny genocide. They're being slaughtered. And you say there's no issue. You will regret what you are doing.
You don't hear also. I say this regret where they talk so. Oh, say where Trump finish with Iran. You know go first Nigeria. As you can see, very dark man was also unjust because of the same issue. They say the massacre was too much. Even a pregnant woman will not do anything. How can we live like this in the country where we say the leaders now only out to win election? After winning election, they go still enjoy themselves, fly abroad, treat themselves abroad. Oh, just watch it now.
Yesterday being 29th of March 2026 is a significant day in the Christian calendar. Yesterday was Palm Sunday, a day where the Christians feast and prepare for Easter. So as the people of Kuba was feasting in preparation for the Easter, there was an attack. And the attack have left a lot of scores, including pregnant women. Please move! Move out to see the pregnant woman. What's wrong with you, man? Bro, move from there. This is a pregnant woman on the ground. Everybody here, their name is written on their head. I can count at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And there are still more people in the car. Now, this is what I want to say. Why? Listen to me. The Minister of Defense, I was surprised when you left your duty to secure lives and property and you were busy campaigning. I saw you wearing an APC cap. Is that your role? No. Is that the role of the minister? No. The Minister of Defense, who is supposed to be strategizing to protect people's lives, is campaigning. I've never seen that in my life. As I speak to you now, today that this thing happens, say it. Today that this thing happens, they will do the usual thing. They will send army, they will send police to make you feel safe. But after a few weeks, they will go, and these people will come back again. I overheard the chief of army staff saying that bandits, Boko Haram, that they are also part of Nigerians. People that are killing Nigerians every day without remorse. Instead of you to protect us against them, you are giving them amnesty. You are saying you want to rehabilitate killers. You are saying you want to rehabilitate killers. These are people that have killed families and generations. These are people that have pursued people from their generational homes. All in the name of what? As we speak now, the president is supposed to be here. But what are they doing? They are campaigning for 2027. In as much as we don't want this to be political, but at the end of the day, what are they doing? I'm telling you, the people of Kuba, if you don't stand up for yourself, it is about that time that you stop. Listen to me. If you can gather anything, I know if I say this now, they'll say I am encouraging violence. But to protect yourself, violence is the only way. I am telling you, if you can get knives, if you can get hunter's gun, if you can get anything to protect your land, protect your land. Don't listen to the government that they will come and help you. They will not. Anybody you see that is not from here, anybody that looks suspicious, before they get you down, get them.
You don't hear that so. He even called out the current Minister of Defense. Even Shawari called him out. He said, overnight, more than 80 people were reportedly killed in Jos. When a nation's defense minister is more focused on helping a failed ruling party like the All Progressive Congress organize its convention than safeguarding lives, what outcome should citizens realistically expect? The Minister of Defense go APC convention where people they buy. As you can see, the youth leader of the state does say this will be the last. I don't know whether an empty threat or we're going to listen to them.
My background as a youth leader I grew up, being born and brought up from Angoruma. We believe in one ideology for the sake of the dead, not by sickness on the ground of genocide. I stand today to mandate all the youth that the issue of peace has passed. Since we have discovered every day and then innocent souls have been slaughtered without any reason continuously. As a leader, I'm telling us from today, the issue of peace and unity, we should keep it aside. Anybody that doesn't like peace and unity, he should not touch a single soul from today. If we encounter anything related to this, even a single soul, mark today's date. Based on the ideology in which I grew, we believe on nobody will slaughter our parents again. Nobody will slaughter innocent souls from today. No child will be slaughtered on the platform from today. Please, it's a stand without any fear. If you like, you tag your name, Boko Haram, insurgency, Malaysian army, Fulani herdsmen. You are all the same. On the plateau, there is no room for you. There is no room for you. From today, all the youth leaders, if you know that you are a youth leader, you come close. You are not being given this mandate to go and sit down. The reverend has said something. I'm being born and brought up in Angoruma. I don't drink. I don't smoke. Deliberately, as a leader, if you are coming, in them, please, we must stand on that mandate. Nobody will take us unconsciously. From today, Matasa, Bakuka.
Remember, very dark man talker say, no allow anybody to buy you again. No. Defend yourself. Even the youth leader of the state, don't join and will say this will be the last. Otherwise, what did they go do? I don't know when an empty threat. But for me, everybody defend yourself because our leaders, but election, how to retain power. The next thing is to issue statement, nothing they happen. They are not ready to assist. You even heard them. They say if they catch bandits, Boko Haram, may they forgive them. Say they are our citizens. Just imagine. The same way now, when an armed robber steals, but we also forgive them. They are our citizens. When a kidnapper kidnap people for other states, may they forgive them now. They are our citizens. The country don't dabaru. Two, Kwakwaso don't officially join ADC. As you can see, his Twitter page, we are ADC. So it was heavy. Come with a shake. As you can see, massive supporters everywhere. He officially registered with ADC. Massive. Obi was there, they welcome Obi. The rate where they love Obi for Kano, you go shop. Here they cut APC now. You don't see also massive love. COB. The love too much. You go to say, Nigeria head though. No. All the APC supporters, they don't want to stop crying or complain full everywhere. They mock the alliance, say, we have seen this formation before. It will always end up in failure. They complain, oh. As you can see, this is not going to head well for Kwakwaso. It shouldn't have been this desperate. See, so now APC supporters, they don't want sleep. The tea does shock them. The alliance too much. 3. Peter Obi is penetrating corners. Penetrating corners. I'm talking about grassroots. Grassroots. See now. See this person. Kalia. They succeeded in spreading lies about this gentleman in the north. They portrayed him as someone who hates Muslims and dislikes northerners. I will personally do my best, voluntarily, to educate my people in Sokoto, Kebbi, and Zamfara in our native language so they can understand that it is all lies and that Peter Obi is the answer. So, he dey penetrate, he dey penetrate. As you can see, this lady said, Arewa, let's forgive Peter Obi. Please, the guy touched my heart today. That is during El-Rufai's mother's burial. People call the reply, Peter Obi no do anything to us. Now selfish interest make us hate am since. They love too much, they penetrate. APC supporters, they cry for comment section. As you can see, another northerner, grassroots. Aside from being good to Arewa and telling us daily how resourceful we can become, what wrong has he done to us? They ask the same question, what did he do? This one said, he is forgiven already. You already forgiven? Yes, bro. This one said, for me, I was part of Tinubu movement and I will be part of it in taking him out, if God will. See person where the mandate camp, they hustle to snap picture with Peter Obi for not. They love too much, bro. Watch her now. You don't see, so 4, they say for Kwara State, there is a town in Kwara State, Oke-Oya. People are already leaving some parts of the community because of bandits. They are scared for their lives, and this is happening under a city president. Has it ever been this bad before? I honestly don't think so. Now the poster, now they talk so, okay? Let's watch the video.
Hey, jẹ́ ká tẹ̀léra wọn. Ṣé ti rí sáǹdì pa? Àwọn ti sàlẹ̀ ti lọ. Èmi náà ni mo sẹ́ndì ta ni. Ẹ kú mọ́ gbogbo mọ́tò ni mo lọ àwọn kan tẹ̀ tí lọ nísàlẹ̀. Tí ì débẹ̀ o. Tí ì débẹ̀ mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń lọ bẹ̀ ni o.
You don't see, so it is not fake news. So even Sahara reporters, they posted it. Nigeria, what we say, we get commander in chief. People they run come up just so Kwara everywhere. Dabaru food no day, hunger day, insecurity everywhere. Dabaru and they see what food for. So 5 food. They say today, according to People's Gazette, exclusive. Germany rejecting Tinubu's appointment of Femi Fani-Kayode as ambassador over bid ethnic and religious flaws. They say Germany say we no want person where they erratic. There's nothing diplomatic about him. This one will be slapped on the president when nominate her. How you go nominate or send an alleged erratic person go Germany? Germany say we dey watch you. We don't want him rejected. See Anna, the German government said it rejected Mr. Fani-Kayode's nomination due to his erratic behavior. Controversial past statements, particularly his divisive, ethnocentric, tribalistic, and religious fundamentalist comments in Nigeria, which the European country said was destabilizing. Meanwhile, a senior administration official told the Gazette that he might be redeployed to South Africa as an ambassador. See, Germany don't reject him, we could try South Africa. Anyway, this former minister, they say he don't predict before say, na set up, na set up. The way they set Erufai up, now they go set them up. Listen out.
But Tinubu has finished with them.
How? They are in government.
No, listen to me. All these ambassadors,
Yes.
wait until their letters of credence have been accepted. Tinubu knew that Faneka, they have no integrity. And he knew very well that they will be rejected. So if they are now rejected, he has pled the Erufai card. Because he said he wasn't the one who rejected Erufai.
It was National Assembly.
National Assembly. But that same president, people who had excess baggage went to the National Assembly and they were screened. Some were even given, take a bow and leave. So Tinubu had brought them close. You know, in Machiavellian theory, a very intelligent and ardent enemy, you lure him to come within the range of attack before you deal with him. All of them now are captured within the circumference of attack. One day, even if Solomon Dalong is not alive, you will go to my grave and say, here lies a prophet that saw the future.
You don't get answer. But FFK, for the first time, dropped the shortest response for the first time. See what he wrote. He said fake news everywhere. These opposition elements are so pained by my appointment and they are doing everything to discredit me as got to it. Whether they like it or not, I will serve my country. Keep crying. Whether it is say that the opposition elements reported to Gemini, we don't know. The first time I know to say, I go sue People's Gazette, I go deal with you. Just short statement, we drop body. You don't see and so. What do you think about this 5 important news we are just sharing with you? So make you drop your thought in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.